Wet your hands with water. Apply soap, rub your hands palm to palm and wash the backs of both hands and in between your fingers. Then palm to palm with fingers interlocked. Clasp your hands together and rub. And then clean around the thumbs too. Rub your fingertips in the palms of your hands and finish off with the wrists. Rinse your hands really well with water and dry them thoroughly with a paper towel. Use the towel to turn off the tap. Your hands are now clean.
Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to start with an interesting activity. It's scribbling. What is scribbling? Scribbling means you're free to draw or write anything using crayon or a pencil. Now what do you need for that? You need a drawing note and crayons. Children, be ready with your drawing note and crayons. Children, this is your drawing note. Your mummy will write your name here and your class and section. Now turn to the second page. Take this page. Here we are going to do our scribbling activity. We need crayons. Now take your crayons. I have different colors of crayons here. Now children, keep your hands like this and you will hold your pencil or a crayon tightly with your 3 fingers. Now let me start scribbling activity. Put a circle or up, down, left, right, put a circle. Whatever you want, you can make it. Now, next I am going to try with the color blue. Circle, 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 up, down, left, right, circle, circle, and you can draw whatever you want. Now shall we try with another color green? Same way, hold your pencil, and now this time I am going to make it little bit darker. For that you must hold your pencil tightly and put a circle or up, down and left, right. Now I am going to color with my favorite color, pink. Hold the pencil like this. Start scribbling. Whatever you want, you can scribble. Because of the scribbling activity, your grip will develop to hold a pencil or a crayon. So, make it darker. Now, look at this scribbling activity, which is very colorful. I hope you all will try this and take a snap or a picture and send it to your class teacher. I hope you are all ready with this page number 91. Magic words. Using magic word is a good manners. Your approach towards others really matters while communicating with them. Using magic words is very necessary in our daily communications with people. Here I am going to teach you 4 magic words. They are sorry, please, thank you and excuse me. Sorry, please, thank you and excuse me. One by one I will teach you now. First is sorry. When will you ask sorry to others? If you hurt someone or if you are committing any mistakes or if you are pushing someone, you must ask sorry. You must ask sorry. இப்போ வெளியில விளையாடுறதுக்கு போயிருக்கீங்க. உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட விளையாடும் போது அவங்கள தெரியாம தள்ளி விட்டுட்டீங்கன்னா என்ன கேட்கணும்? அவங்க கிட்ட சாரி கேட்கணும். வீட்டில் இருக்கும் போது ஏதாவது மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்க, ஏதாவது தப்பு பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா என்ன கேட்கணும்? அம்மா கிட்ட சாரி கேட்கணும். whoever it is, if you are committing any mistakes, you must ask sorry. Now next is please. When will you ask please to someone? எப்போ please கேட்பீங்க? if you are going to get some help from others, you must request them. if you want any help from others, you must request them. இப்போ உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட வந்து ஏதாவது ஹெல்ப் கேக்குறீங்க, அவங்களோட ஸ்நாக்ஸ் கேக்குறீங்கன்னா அப்ப என்ன கேட்கணும்? request, please can you give me your snacks, like that you should ask. then only, even though they don't want to give you the snacks also, they will give you. Okay, so when you want to get help from others, you must request them using please. Next is thank you. Children, when will you say thank you to others? If you are getting any gift or if someone is helping you, you must say thank you. You must say thank you. For your birthday, இப்போ உங்க பர்த்டே அப்பெல்லாம் நிறைய பேர் கிஃப்ட்ஸ் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. what you should say to them? you must say thank you. என்ன சொல்லணும்? thank you சொல்லணும். and you must say thank you. okay, now final is excuse me. when will you ask excuse me? see, if some two person is talking and if you are going to interfere in between, you must ask excuse me. then only you will proceed with yours. okay, now இப்போ கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கும்போது மிஸ் கிளாஸ்ல இருக்காங்க, நீங்க வெளியில இருந்து உள்ள என்டர் ஆகும்போது near to the door you should stand and ask excuse me. then only you will enter inside the classroom. same way at your house also. இப்ப அம்மாவும் அப்பாவும் பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்க, இப்ப நடுவுல இடையில நீங்க ஏதாவது பேசணும்னா என்ன கேட்கணும்? excuse me கேட்கணும். that is good manners. okay children, now we saw 4 good manners. what are they? sorry, please, thank you, excuse me. come on children, tell along with me. sorry, please, thank you and excuse me. These are all the 4 magic words which is very important in our daily communications with people. I hope you all will try this.
When you see something you want, remember what to say. Here it comes, the magic word, you can use it every day. Please, please, please. Yes, this is the magic word, start using it today. When you get someone to help, remember what to say. Here it comes, the magic word, you can use it every day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, this is the magic word, start using it today. When we make a mistake, remember what to say. Here it comes, the magic word, you can use it every day. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Yes, this is the magic word, start using it today. When you sneeze, achoo, cough or yawn. When you sneeze, cough or yawn, remember what to say. Here it comes, the magic word, you can use it every day. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Yes, this is the magic word, start using it today.
Now, I hope you are all ready with this page number 92. Good habits. These are all good habits which you should follow in your day-to-day life. Okay, now first one is wake up early in the morning. For that you should go to the bed early. Wake up early in the morning. Okay, then only your body will be fresh. You will feel fresh if you are waking up early. After waking early, what you will do? Next is brush your teeth using this brush and paste. You will brush your teeth. You have to brush your teeth twice a day. One in the morning after waking and before going to the bed during night. So you will brush your teeth twice a day. After brushing your teeth, what you will do? You must take a bath. You should take a bath using this soap and water. You will take a bath every day. After taking bath, what you will do? Next is you must comb your hair using this comb. What is this? This is, in Tamil they will tell us seepu. Mummy solluvaangalla seepu. This is used to comb your hair. So using this comb, you will comb your hair. Next, after combing your hair, what you must do? You must wear clean clothes. Okay children, you must wear clean clothes. You must wear clean clothes. Okay. Now, after dressing, next what you will do? Every day, check your nails. You must clip nails regularly. You should clip your nails regularly. Your mother will help you to clip your nails. You must check whether all your nails are trimmed, because if you are having nails, all the dirt will get inside, and with the same hand you will eat, and if you are using for drinking water, anything, the dirt will get into your stomach and you will get stomach pain. So see to that your nails are trimmed. Okay. After that, every day you must play and do exercise, which is very helpful for your body to keep yourself fit and healthy. So you must play and do exercise regularly. That is why we are sending you warm-up exercise. Okay, watch those videos and do your exercise regularly every day. Now, after using washroom, you must wash your hands using this hand wash. What is washroom? Toilet. After using toilet, you must wash your hands using this hand wash. These are the good habits which you must follow every day. Shall we see one by one? First is you must wake up early in the morning. First is you must wake up early in the morning. For that you should go to the bed earlier. Next is brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. Take bath every day. Take bath every day. Comb your hair. You must comb your hair. Wear clean clothes. Wear clean clothes. Next, you must clip your nails regularly. Clip your nails regularly. Next, play and do exercise regularly. Play and do exercise regularly. And finally, wash your hands after using washroom. After using washroom. Okay children, today we saw scribbling, good manners and good habits. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Keep watching this video and follow all these good manners and good habits. Thank you children.